What is going on, guys? Back again. Today we're checking out another local place called the Beattie Pinery. It's only about a 3-kilometer hike, I think, so it shouldn't take too long, but it's supposed to be beautiful, so we're gonna go check it out, see what's up. So first impression is really nice. See, we got some nice color behind us. All the fall colors starting to come out finally. Hike just kind of started off with a little forest section, then it kind of opens up here. Very gorgeous. So from what I've read, this place is pretty popular in the winter for snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, and I can see why. If you take a look at how gorgeous these trails are, just kind of twisting and turning through these ginormous trees. I don't know if you guys can even get the sheer size of this. So after a short little hike, came across this really nice beach area here. Nice little stream. Not sure which river this is a part of. I think it's a tributary of the Nottawasaga, if I'm not mistaken. But so this is one of the tributaries where the salmon will come up to lay their eggs and then die. Thus the cycle of life. One thing that I've noticed is that it's kind of hard to find the trail with all these leaves on the ground, as you can see. So hopefully I'm going the right way. You know, it's like, which way does the trail go down there? Hard to tell sometimes, right? But I think we're on the right path here. So I found a really strange looking tree. So I had to stop just to check it out a bit, take a picture or two of this. Check out this bad boy. Pretty crazy. So the trail seems fairly popular. I've run into, I don't know, maybe about 4 or 5 people so far. Most people are walking their dogs. Everyone's super friendly. I think I'm also going the wrong way around the loop because everyone seems to be walking towards me. But what are you gonna do? I guess there's no wrong way. But it is kind of difficult at some points to see the trails, but that's just because of all the leaves on the ground. But other than that, super beautiful. Some of these trees are massive. You got like little spots like this that kind of throughout the trail. For the most part, it's a fairly flat hike, but super gorgeous. Difficulty, not very difficult, not very many inclines or anything like that. I think I'm still on the trail, at least. It's hard to tell. But I think we're on the trail. Seems like it. And there you have it, we're back where we started. 1 out of 10 on the maple syrup difficulty scale, but much worth checking out. I can see why so many people bring their dogs here for walks. It's really nice. A really nice little area. Well worth the visit in New Tecumseth. The Beattie Pinery. If you guys haven't done so already, hit the thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, it helps me out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.